Happy Monday, traders. It is Matt and Jace with Empire Algorithmic Trading, here to bring you your daily dose of VWAP Vision's Stock Talk.
Where the volume at, the volume weighted average price helps us make sense of the markets, Matt. So let's get right to it. It's time for a little stock talk.
Let's do it. It's Monday, everybody. And again, I'm Matt. He's JC. Thank you for tuning in. Jace, what happened in the markets today?
Very nice, strong rally. The S&P gapped up and rallied throughout the day. Nasdaq Composite gapped up, rallied throughout the day. Small caps kind of hung in a range, kind of stayed inside
Okay.
of Friday's range, which was inside of Thursday's range. So there's kind of tightening up a little bit. And then mid
Yeah.
caps actually sold off a little bit. Very disappointing, kind of
Huh.
surprising. Would have been nice to see a little bit strength across the board. But really, the mega caps are really starting to pick up steam. The large caps are as well. But all in all, bonds rallied up a little bit as well. And then the VIX surprisingly shot up, which makes sense a little bit with the Federal Reserve coming into play on Wednesday. I believe it's a Tuesday meeting. Tomorrow and Wednesday they meet and they announce the interest rate plus the commentary. I believe Wednesday afternoon. But all in all, very strong start of the week. Very good looking session. Moving the anchors. New high for the S&P 500. New high for the Nasdaq. But the anchors stay in place for both the smalls and the mids as they have yet to retake their recent highs. So all in
Okay.
all, very strong session.
Yeah, great day for the general markets there. So next we're going to talk about the big movers and those who went up or down. And just a reminder, all of these big movers have flashed either a buy or sell signal from our algorithm. And if you want access to those daily buy and sell signals from our algorithm, check out our Patreon, patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Training or Empire Algorithmic Trading. And stick around for the end and we'll talk a little bit more about it. But Jace, who moved? Where'd they go?
A lot of them went up today. We had total since August 13th, we've had 80 signals, including today's signals, right? 35% of them hit new breakout highs, post breakout highs today. So it was a very exciting day to be looking at breakouts. Orla is another one of those. It's another shakeout breakout, right?
Yep.
It dropped down. Let's see, what is that? That's about 6.8% intraday. And then it just blasted up a solid 10.5% today. Rambus continuing to roll. It
Wow.
was up 10.2% today. I ran the Unstoppable, I ran Limited up 9.3% today. And those are
Wow.
just the top three, right? So it was a pretty exciting session. It was a lot of fun. Like I said, when we started talking, I said, "Hey, look at that's a pretty great chart, ASML." That wasn't
No
even the best
kidding.
stock of the day, right? So it's a pretty exciting session. But as always, we like to look at what happened on the downside.
Mhm.
BBNX was the leader on the
Mm.
downside, down 4%, but well inside of Friday's range. Not really,
Yeah.
still above its 10-day moving average. It's holding up quite well. But the ones that did sell off, there are reasons why you want to cut your losses. And this is why I want to bring it up. That is the single most important rule, especially when you have 30% of your signals, 40, close to 40% of your signals hitting new highs. You don't want to be holding the stocks that are going down. Buy the ones that are going up and hold those, right? If it starts going down, sell it. Dutch Brothers is a good example of that. I bought it. I tried buying it. It got me, right? I saw the test here. I tried buying it here. It closed down below it. I was like, all right, we'll see if it works. It doesn't. It sold off. I got out of it at 68. It's back down to 62. Another 6 points lower, almost 10% lower than where I sold it for my small loss. And why hold it when you have stocks going up? And then same thing with Jefferson Capital. It sold off for 3.8% today or 3.5% today. Same thing. It tried a shakeout breakout, tried rallying up, but then it gave it right back up. You could have stopped your loss. You could have stopped it right where you bought it back or cut your losses small, but you could have avoided that 3.4% loss. And then lastly, I'm going to bring up Lemonade. This was our freebie of the week. And I just thought that was funny. We decided to pop that. It
This
just looked like it was
awesome.
about ready to roll, and it sure did. It shot up 7.8% today. This is another potential shakeout breakout right here. So really, really exciting session overall. Just trying to, don't go chasing anything and always follow
Yep.
your rules. But this is the time to buy the opportunities when they're there. And just don't go chasing, right? You just want to stick to your rules, cut anything that's going against you. But for the most part, it was a really fun, exciting way to start the week.
All right. Well, that is it for us here at Empire Algorithmic Trading for our daily stock talk. Thank you for listening on Spotify, watching on YouTube. Make sure to hit those like, subscribe buttons, and rate and review us there as well. If you want more information about who we are, what we do, check out our website, VWAPvision.com. That's VWAPvision.com. And if you want access to all of the good stuff, the algorithmic daily buy and sell signals, Jason and I breaking down error reviews every single day where we talk about the next day's upcoming signals that look like they're primed for either a breakout or a failure. If you want some educational videos where we talk about our trading strategies and how we use those signals in our trading strategies, just access to a cool group of traders, check out that Patreon, patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading. And if you just want to consume our information where you consume all of your trading information, follow our socials, Facebook, Instagram, Blue Sky, X, where you get your info, we are. So make sure to find us there and follow, like, subscribe. And as always, everybody, thank you so much for being here with us. I'm Matt. He's Jace with Empire Algorithmic Trading. And Jace, as always, happy trading, buddy.
Happy trading, Bubbles. Talk to you during arrow review. I'm excited to see what happens. All right, see you, man.